So if you want to install TensorFlow GPU, here is the steps. You can just open up your browser and search up for install TensorFlow. Just click the first one, and here is the basic documentation for installation. But we are gonna install for GPU, and for the GPU installation, you can just click here or here, which is the PIPS installation guide. Okay, on this page, we can just click on Windows Native, and the three line here is actually the installation process. So, but here is the Conda command, but we are gonna use Conda, so we can just install the dependency manually, which is Iris and Iris. So we can just search up this, and the first, so we are gonna install it on Windows 64-bit version 10. Uh, I don't know why it is version 10, but the version 10 is also work on Windows 11, so it's okay. And then the installer, we use local. Then we can just download, and it's gonna download automatically. Okay. The second one is these things. Design. We can just search it on Google and open up the first. So we are gonna match the version on this thing we need here. So we find 8.1.0, which is here, but and for the CUDA, we also want to match on this version, which is 11.2. Okay, here. And find for Windows. Uh, it is ask you to log in or sign up for NVIDIA account. So if you don't have account yet, you can just sign up or just log in anyway. Uh, yeah, you can just find the version and it should be downloaded automatically. Okay, after you download all the file, you need to install the CUDA file in this CUDA file first. Okay, on this option, you can just follow the express or recommended, but if you don't want to override the display driver or something else, you can click custom and just uncheck the other things you don't need. Like I don't need this, also doesn't need this, and underneath this. You can just skip to these things and it is okay. Okay, just once you get finished, you can open the other download the file, which is zip folder. You can just open the zip folder and copy all of this into the system file programs and find for NVIDIA GPU folder and paste here. If there is no NVIDIA GPU computing toolkit on the program files, it is maybe located on your program file. This one. Just just find which where you install the CUDA. Okay, after complete the first installation, we can move to the second line, which is install the TensorFlow itself. But you should make sure it is the TensorFlow version under 2.11 because the native version for Windows and GPU is only for the TensorFlow under 2.11. You can just copy this line and open up your terminal, and it should be install the TensorFlow. Okay, once the TensorFlow installation finished, you can check whether your GPU is totally detected with your TensorFlow or not by using this line. Okay, open up terminal. So it should be detects an GPU instance here. But if your installation failed, it will show you something like uh, missing GPU or something. Okay, that's all for the installation.